Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am super excited to be sharing with you guys. I have this big old box from Lush. Yes, the bath bombs. I love Lush. And so they contacted me and asked me if I wanted to share some of their Friday the 13th goodies with you guys, you know, get into the spirit of Halloween and all of that. And today is Friday the 13th. So this came right on time for me to share with you guys what they have. I believe this stuff has just launched like as of today, which will be Friday the 13th. Okay, I have to correct myself. The items won't be available until September 27th. So I'm gonna quit running my mouth and get this open because I've been waiting for this to come ever since they contacted me, and I'm excited to see what's in here. Okay, so now that I got it open, let's see what's in here. Ooh, even the inside, oh, it smells so good. Even just opening this, it smells so good. I don't know, can you guys see the inside of that box? Look at all them little pictures and stuff. I see flowers and lemons and carrots and cherries. Oh, it smells so good in this box. Okay, so the first thing I see is yes or no on Friday the 13th. Lush invites you to creep beyond the veil. This cute little postcard, it says you've been chosen. Okay, so good it's scary. Ooh, what is that? There's nothing unlucky about this Friday the 13th. Magical mint scrubs, bewitching black baths, glowing ghouls, and more make up this haunting limited edition collection. And so I'm not sure if everything that's on here is what they sent in the box, but we're gonna go through it and see. And if I need to go back to that and reference what's in here, then that's what we're gonna do. Okay, but let me get all of these peanuts out of the way so we can see what's down in this box. Okay, the first thing I see is this super cute, look at that, pumpkin bath bomb. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to look in here so we can see. It says Pumpkin. His name is Pumpkin, P-U-N-K-I-N, Pumpkin bath bomb. Carve out some time for a spicy, that's what I smell. It says some time for a spicy cinnamon lime. Cinnamon and lime. Soak with softening pumpkin powder. That is very interesting. Cinnamon and lime. I would have never even thought that those two fragrances could work together. It is a really strong scent. I get a lot of, I don't know, it's like a spicy scent. It almost kind of smells like black pepper. I don't know, that's weird, but it smells good. You definitely get the spicy in this, but I do smell the lime and not so much of the cinnamon. So that was the first one. Okay, so that was the first one. Let's see what this next one is. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, it rubbed off on the ghost. Okay, so let me show you the cat first before I show you the ghost. So this is the next one. Cute little black cat. That is so cute. Ooh, what scent am I getting from that? Ooh, now that one smells like lime. I don't know what that is. Bewitched. This one is called Bewitched, and it's a bubble bar. So create a bath brimming with perfect bubbles and a fabulously fruity fragrance. It's definitely fruity. It's not like a sweet fruit, like a, it's just not like a sweet fruit scent. It's fruity, but it smells spicy as well, but it smells really good. I like that. So this is a bubble bar. Okay, and that actually rubbed off onto this, which is oh, that fell. Okay, this one almost feels like it's melting just a little tiny bit. Is really moist, and I think that has something to do with, you know, being shipped and it being like 100 degrees outside, so it probably kind of started getting a little soft, but the black cat rubbed off on it. And this is called Ghost in the Dark. Can you see it? Let's see. It looks like that. I don't know if it's showing up real good on the camera, but it's just a little white bars. Well, let me say, yeah, it is soap, and it's just a little white ghost. It says Ghost in the Dark. Get spookily soft with hydrating cocoa butter. That's why it feels like that. It's made with cocoa butter. It feels good. with cocoa butter and refreshing lemongrass. Stick this sudsor in direct light for 30 to 45 minutes. Then watch it glow in the dark. A glow in the dark bar of soap. I'm definitely gonna have to try this with Pooh Bear. I'll probably just put it in the sunlight and he won't know. And then when I give him a bath, I'm gonna let him have this soap. That'll be kind of cool. Okay, and then the next thing I pull out is this. Ooh, it looks kind of odd. It is a round bar. It has some opening right here, and you can see like it looks like chia seeds or something in there. I'm not too sure, but it looks like that on both sides. It has that. Let's see what this is about. Oh, okay, that's why it looks like that. It's called Ooh, ooh, ooh. I don't know what that fragrance was. It was real strong, but it smells like tangerine. I don't know. Okay, this is called Mercury Retrograde. It says it's a bath bomb. Make your way through uncertain times with this lemon. That's what it was. Ginger. Lemon ginger soak. That's what I got out of that. Ooh. Ooh. Really, really strong ginger scent in this. I forgot to tell you guys what everything retailed for. This one is $7.95. The first thing I pulled out, the pumpkin was $6.45. The black cat was $7.95. That white ghost is $7.95. But you guys, these make, let me sit that down. Okay, but these make really, really nice like gifts and stuff, like for Halloween, or if you have a teen or a sister or your mom and you just want to give them something. These are so cute to give, especially because they're all in the Halloween theme. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna pull out is this right here. I love their products because normally when stuff comes in a bag, like if you ordered from Lush before, you'll get like a bag sometimes and it'll have who packaged it for you. Like on this one, it says, shout out to him. Can you see that little picture down there? It's him, and it says made by Marlin. So you know who made it, when it was made, and when's the best time to use it by. So their products are amazing. This is Fresh Handmade Cosmetics Magic Crystals Shower Scrub. Do you believe in magically soft skin? That's what it says. Okay, so let's see. Magic Crystal Shower Scrub. Scrub your way to softness with a bewitching blend of Epsom salt and tingly fresh mint infusion. So that's what that says. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. It is like neon. Okay, I don't want it to spill out, but it's like neon purple. Oh my goodness, that is my favorite color. Oh, and it smells so good. It smells just like mint or peppermint. Oh my gosh, I am loving this. I can't wait to use this. I don't want to touch it right now. I'm so tempted to touch it to see how the crystals are, to see if it's like a really nice exfoliant or if it's mild. I like a really nice exfoliant with big crystals or Epsom salt or whatever they use in each one. So hopefully that's what it is. But the color of that one is really pretty, and this retails for $17.95. This next thing I just pulled out is called Boo. It's shower slime. Oh my gosh, no tricks, just treats with this bubblegum scented slime. And you guys, it looks like it's black. Now I'm gonna open this. I don't know about no black. Oh god. Ugh, that just looks creepy. Okay, and I definitely can't do that. But look at that, it's black. And oh god, it smells so sweet. It smells just like what did it say? Bubblegum. It smells just like bubblegum. I ain't gonna lie. How much was this? $19. I don't know if I'm gonna like black slime. I don't even like the way slime feels. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this myself or politely hand this over to my daughter or let Pooh Bear play with it in the shower or the bath. I don't know. But it's really, really cool. Black shower slime that smells like bubblegum. That's kind of cool. It's cool. And the last thing that's in this box is this right here, and it's called Twilight Shower Jelly. And it looks like that. It says get into the Twilight Zone, and the paper says shower jelly, lather up a lullaby with this soft and soothing lavender tonka wobbler. What is a tonka wobbler? I love that though. That's a cool little word. Let me see. Shower jelly. Ooh, that is so pretty. Okay, I feel like I want to touch that. Ooh, it feels like Jello. You know how you buy Jello in the Jello cups? That is exactly what that feels like. It's like a, hopefully you guys can see that. Look at that. It's like a blue and purple kind of like pearl shower jelly. Oh my gosh. And it definitely smells like lavender. I am loving that. Oh gosh. And this retails for only $9. That is so fun. I know my daughter is going to want that one. I think she's going to want that. So that is it for everything that was in my package. Most of this stuff is, let me make sure, is vegan. And self-preserving. So they do have like the directions on how to use everything, and then it has the V next to it for vegan. So if that's something that you're interested in, on their website they do have a lot of stuff that you can use for the shower. So for me particularly, I don't have a tub in my bathroom. I just have a shower. I would probably have ordered more of the shower products, but the bath products are so fun. I love every one of them. I'll give them to my kids or somebody in my family that'll want them. But yeah, so thank you to Lush for sending me this package. I truly appreciate it. And thank you to all of you guys for watching. So I'll talk to you guys real soon in my next video. Bye.